Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a GitHub repository. For that, what you need to do first, you will open the GitHub account and these are the repositories that are already there in my GitHub account. So I will go to my repository, go to your repositories and pick a one repository. For instance, I want to delete this demo sales, which is the repository, and it has only two files. So what I need to do is just go to settings, and after that you need to go down and you just need to go over here and delete this repository. Click delete this repository. I want to delete this repository. Click this, and yes, click this. After that, just you need to type this, copy and paste this over here, and then click delete this repository. And then you need to provide the password for your account. I'll provide my password here. Click confirm. After that, the repository has been deleted. Look, so this is how you delete a repository, GitHub repository. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.